Hey guys, Chris here. Today I have the LYNX One backpacking tent. It's a one-person, three-season tent. This is the best tent you're going to get at the best price, and we're going to find out why. That's next. Hey guys, Chris here. Okay, like I said, we got this Alps Mountaineering, that's the name of the company, backpacking tent, one person. This tent also comes in a two-person, three-person, and a four-person in the series. And they all have the same colors, very similar in design, they just get bigger and bigger, so that's pretty cool. But this tent compares really well to three other tents that I found online. I did some homework, and this really is the best price. I got the MSR Elixir 3-season, one person, and that's $199.95, $200. I found the Marmot Tungsten, and that is a one-person tent, 3-season, $179. And then the cheapest one I could find outside of this one was the Kelty Late Start 3-season. I'm getting all mixed up. 3-season, one person, $139. And that tent is very comparable. All three tents stay very similar. They got a vestibule out front and rainfly and one-person tents. And this one, the LYNX One, is $95, and to me it looked really just as good. I've set it up. I have not slept in it yet, but this is an awesome little tent. It is 4 pounds 1 ounce on the weight, a little bit heavier compared to the ultralight tents. It does come with this stuff sack. Check that out. Isn't that nice? Stuff sack with compression straps on it. This could actually be put on the outside of your backpack like that if you wanted to. Handle on the bag there. It's 7 feet 6 inches long at the length of it. So that's it's longer than any NBA player currently in the league, and it's 32 inches wide, so that'll fit pretty much anyone. 38 inches tall at the high point, and it's a great little tent though. We're going to take this out. I'm going to set it up and we're going to look at it. And it sets up really easy. It does have the rainfly vestibule is sealed at the factory for rain. And the seams are sealed on the bathtub floor, so I thought that was really cool. The floor space has, inside the tent has 20 square feet of floor space. The vestibule area has 10 square feet, so that's a great place to put your backpack, your boots. I like having the vestibule areas. The tent, got the tape measure here, is about 19.5 inches long. Yeah, about 19 inches long, depends on how you fold it. And about 7.5 inches wide. So there you go there. But we'll take a look at this at the campground, and I'm going to set that up. We'll go over the details, but it's got some nice mesh on it. Oh, it also has UV protection in the vestibule, which is really cool, so it doesn't fade and all like that. And it'll protect you inside of it. So anyways, let's take a look at it. Alright, I'm at my local campground here in the Sierra Nevadas, not too far from town. Beautiful campground, beautiful night. I love this time of year. Anyways, we're setting her up, looking for any rocks. I always look for rock sticks, anything that could be in the way, and not too bad at all. We are clean, so let's set this tent up. I do not have my rain fly tonight. but that's okay. We can still set it up, and then I'll be camping out in this weekend, so. But this should set up really fast. Look at that. The tent poles are really light, very compact. I like that a lot. That's makes me happy. Nice bright color, and they're all shot corded together. That's always a bonus. I like it when you can. Look at that. Feel like such a pro. Woot! See if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. Yes, got it. And we just simply cross those over at the top. I'm like a magician or something. And what? There we go. It's got 2 grommets. The outside one is where you want to start, and then if you need to, you can move it into the inside. It just gives you a little more tension on the tent. So we're going to start here. Go like that. Once the poles are up, just simply take this middle clip here and put it right over the 2 holes in the middle and clip it all along like that. It's pretty much set up. Look how quick that is. And these just hang on. They just clip in, hang on like that. Very nice. Marine fly. Just make sure the zipper's towards the front. And these are great because they clip right into these adjustable clips right here like this. There you go. Clip that in. I like that a lot. That's pretty nice. And simply stake out the vestibule. This is one of the features why I really wanted this tent, was this vestibule. And the rain fly goes all the way down the sides, so it's going to give you extra wind protection and keep you warm when it's cold. So extra warmth will be provided as well. So this rolls up nice on the side here. A couple of toggles to put it through like that. Does come with some guy lines and some plastic guides to adjustments. That's very nice to have. Guideline holes are here off to the side. That's just going to give you added stability, especially during the wind. It does have a vent at the top, and this is like a little block in here, and with Velcro, and then you simply put that there. Opens this vent up at the top there, which is where you want it. Now, as you can see, there are no windows. Once that vestible's on, there are no windows. So, you know, it's a one-person tent. You're probably not going to spend a lot of time in there, unless, of course, it's raining and windy. But we'll take a look in the inside. It does have a lot of mesh around it, so if you do take the rain fly off at night, you'll have good views of the stars and obviously an excellent breeze. So So it's pretty roomy here in the front. I like that. Obviously you got two sides of it when this is opened up. Fit your backpack, your boots right in there. My other tent is very similar to this, but it does not have the vestibule like that. I like that a lot. Oh yeah, here's a pocket at this end, mesh pocket. And then here's another mesh pocket at this end. And then right above that, there's a gear loft that clips right there to the ceiling of the tent. Little pocket inside the gear loft right here. So you don't have to just set things on it. And then that can be hanging right over your head if you got your phone and your keys and your wallet right there. That's right by where you want it, you need to be. So the floor got some taped over the seams there. Look at that. That's great. And in how high the bathtub floor comes up, and this has been waterproofed at the factory from what they said. It does have heavy-duty zippers on it, and then they got just a little string on it. Probably makes it lighter. The zippers are pretty heavy, I guess. And that's easy. Zippers work very smoothly. Woot. Double zippers on the door. That's nice. Yeah, very smooth. Real light. They did a good job, though. All right, like I said earlier, the floor is from the length is 7 feet 6 inches long, so there is plenty of room in here. It's 32 inches wide. It's just wide enough, you can see that. And not gonna have much gear in here, but this is why this is the best tent at this price for a one-man, three-season tent, one person, and $95 on Amazon right now for the Alps Mountaineering LYNX 1 tent. And anyways, that's my opinion about the whole thing. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, keep hiking.